Good morning, dear students. So today in this video we are going to learn about the continents and oceans again, because many students are still confused in these two things. But before going to continents and oceans, first we will understand what is a map and a globe, and what is things are different in a map and a globe, कि इन दोनों में चीज़ें कैसे कैसे अलग अलग दिखती है. So now in front of you this is a map and this is world map. World means हमारी earth, our earth, and here in front of you is our earth. You know that our earth is a blue planet and see it is round. अब देखो राउंड चीज़ की पिक्चर फ्लैट में होगी तो बहुत चीज़ें डिफरेंट बनेंगी. ओके, लाइक one example I will give you. See, this is India. Okay, this is our country India. You can see it is highlighted also here. And now try, this is India over here. See, so you can see now the shape you can identify also as, and you can see many things on this globe. See, this is Africa continent. Okay, this is Africa continent, and here this is Africa continent. So, and one more thing I will tell you, students, see, this side is Pacific Ocean and this side is also Pacific Ocean. How there are two Pacific Ocean? दो Pacific Ocean कैसे हो सकते हैं? आपने पढ़ा होगा ना in oceans that there are two Pacific Ocean here and here. So let's have a look of Pacific Ocean here. आपने देखा Pacific Ocean is near Asia. This is Asia continent. Okay. So let's find the shape in this. Okay, इसको सीधा सीधा tilt करेंगे. So this is our India and Asia continent. So see, this is Pacific Ocean. कितना big है? It is the biggest ocean. आपको कुछ भी land नहीं दिख रहा है. देखो, there is no land in it. See, this is Pacific Ocean. और जैसे हम इसको turn करेंगे, see that North America and South America continent came. So same way this. After going from this, these two oceans are connected. Why? Because Earth is round. देखो ये North America आ गया. ये देखो this is the same picture here. यहाँ पर ये picture है और यहाँ पर भी ये same picture है. देखो same है. ये देखो ये ऊपर वाला white part and this is North America. We can zoom it in and we can zoom it out also. So see. So now you understand this is only one ocean. ये एक ही ocean है, दो oceans नहीं है, एक ही ocean है, Pacific Ocean, and they both are connected like this. Okay, this is Pacific Ocean, है ना? Because Earth is round. So these things are different from in map and globe. You can understand things better on globe, but map हमको detail information दिखता है. मैप इतने बड़े अर्थ के लिए भी बन सकता है और छोटे से इंडिया का भी मैप अलग से होता है. दैट इज वाई मैप इज ऑल्सो वेरी कन्वीनियंट एंड यूजफुल. सो नाउ लेट्स गो ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट्स फर्स्ट. ओके, सो कॉन्टिनेंट्स, व्हाट आर कॉन्टिनेंट्स? कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर द लार्ज मासेस ऑफ लैंड. कॉन्टिनेंट्स क्या होते हैं? बड़े बड़े लैंड के पीसेस होते हैं, मासेस होते हैं, टुकड़े होते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स लर्न. एंड द Earth is divided into 7 continents. How many? 7 continents. 7 continents में divided है ना? और this is a world map. मैंने आपको बताया था ये कौन सा मैप है? वर्ल्ड का मैप है, अर्थ का मैप है. And there are the directions in it. See, I mentioned for you also. The upside is north direction, downside is south direction. आपके right hand के side होता है east direction, and left hand side is west. Okay, up is north, down is south, right is east, and left is west. Very important thing to learn. Afterwards, let's learn about the biggest continent, Asia. हम सबसे big continent Asia के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. India is also a part of Asia, and this whole thing is Asia continent. ये पूरा कौन सा continent है? Asia continent. After Asia continent, it came to Africa continent. कौन से continent पे आते हैं हम? Africa continent पे. इट इज़ द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट, अफ्रीका। ठीक है, अफ्रीका में बहुत सारे एनिमल्स भी पाए जाते हैं, एंड देयर आर, दिस इज सो हॉट ऑल्सो, अफ्रीका बहुत हॉट भी है। नाउ आफ्टर अफ्रीका we learn about the North America continent, which continent is this? North America. This is also the part of North America, and this is South America. क्योंकि नॉर्थ अप में होता है इसलिए नॉर्थ अमेरिका इज ऑलवेज ऑन अप एंड साउथ अमेरिका इज ऑलवेज ऑन डाउन साइड, क्योंकि साउथ नीचे होता है. सो दिस इज साउथ अमेरिका. आफ्टर दिस देयर इज एंटार्क्टिका कॉन्टिनेंट. Which continent is this? Antarctica continent. I will show you its shape also on that globe. First, revise all of them. Antarctica continent. After this, Europe continent. Which continent is this? Europe continent. Europe continent have so many small countries. Europe continent में बहुत सारी small countries हैं. And this is Australia continent, the smallest continent. So, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. So, repeat after me when I say Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Let's have a look on the globe also of all these continents. So students, let's start with the Asia continent. ठीक है, so we are going to start with Asia continent. तो this is Asia continent. ये कौन सा continent है? Asia continent. See, this place is here. This is also the part of Asia continent. I have one colored map for you also, which I have colored just now. See here, this is a colored map for continents. This is Asia continent in green color, which is the biggest continent. Okay, many students have done it wrong. So this is Asia continent, और ये small things are all small islands are also the part of Asia continent. ये small नहीं है, वैसे बहुत big countries हैं. This is Japan. Okay. So Japan is also very big. So these also green colored also part of Asia continent. This is the biggest continent, and here this is Asia continent on our earth. Okay, I hope it is visible. Yeah, it is visible clearly now. This is Asia continent. और ये now let's go to Africa continent. Okay, so this is Africa continent. Understand, student? And this is Africa over here on map. Now after Africa we have to go to North America. So let's rotate it again and see. This is North America. देखो, and this is this part. This is Greenland. Okay, see, name will also come. See, Greenland. Okay, this is also the part of North America. ये रहा हमारा नॉर्थ अमेरिका. आफ्टर द नॉर्थ अमेरिका वी विल गो टू विच कॉन्टिनेंट? साउथ अमेरिका. अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं ट्रिप पर? वी आर गोइंग टू साउथ अमेरिका. ओके, ये रहा हमारा साउथ अमेरिका. सी, आफ्टर दिस साउथ अमेरिका वी हैव टू गो टू स्टूडेंट एंटार्क्टिका. नाउ यू विल बी वेरी सरप्राइज टू सी एंटार्क्टिका कॉन्टिनेंट. सी, this is Antarctica. Okay, which continent is this? Antarctica continent, dear students. देखो, ये इसका टेल पार्ट है, ये रहा इसका टेल पार्ट. अब आप लोग सोचोगे मैम इसमें तो ऐसा दिख नहीं रहा, बिकॉज इट इज मैप, और मैप फ्लैट होते हैं, और ये हमारा साउथ पोल पे है ना, एंड इट इज एक्चुअली राउंड. ठीक है, दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मैप एंड अ ग्लोब. ओके, सो दिस इज एंटार्क्टिका कॉन्टिनेंट. आप देख रहे हो व्हाइट कलर का है, मीन्स वोल आइस. इस पे पूरे पे आइस है. देयर इज नो अदर कंट्री इन इट. ओके, कोई लैंड नहीं है, सिर्फ आइस ही आइस है. पेंगुइन्स रहते हैं यहाँ पे, बहुत कम पीपल, देयर आर सो लेस पीपल लिविंग हियर. पेंगुइन्स रहते हैं बस. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स come up, we have learned Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and now it comes to which country? Which continent? Europe. Sorry, which continent? Europe. So let's go to Europe. This is Europe. See, this part is Europe. ये जो part आपको दिख रहा है, can you see this line here? This line, this is Europe. This whole part is Europe. देखो ये वाला part identify करो. See, this is over here. Okay, so this whole part is Europe. After Europe, there is the turn of the smallest one. It is Australia. So let's go to Australia. Not really, but in this is our Australia, the smallest continent. Okay, the smallest continent is Australia. So here we are. We have learned all the 7 continents on globe and on map. So first one, the biggest one, is Asia. Then second, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. If you want to see it one more time here, this is Asia. Now turning it to here, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, then come up Europe, and then Australia. You know, there is one quality of this app. इस ऐप की क्वालिटी है, ये आपको सारी countries भी show करेंगी. Okay, it can show you all the countries. I will share link of this app on your WhatsApp. Okay, so we have learned about the continents, but oceans are still left. So I will make a part 2 of this video. You have to go through it also.